Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3250 printer driver. Download and installation is how to connect a printer. So first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, okay, and after that click on it, this website Epson's co.in, this official website. Just click on it, then slow down, click on driver, and after that click the drivers. Then this is the printer driver and click, this is download icon, you just click to download. After that it will start downloading, but you have to complete this I agree the software licenses, and you can say this will support this, and this is the version, and this is the size. You just click to download, it will start downloading, you can see. Yeah, okay, so it will take some time, 67 MB, and depend about your internet speed. So it is completed, then just single click to open, and then click to yes for the administrator rights to install. After that this is extracting, and if you want to set default this, so check this, and if you want to update the software automatically, just click to OK. If you need to require this, so check, okay, then this is for the languages, and then select this and click to OK, I agree, and then click to OK. Now this is installing the driver, so on your printer and connect via USB, okay, your desktop laptop to printer via printer USB cable. Now this is the driver installing. So if you want to connect the network, so click to search and search the printer. After that click to OK, it will search, and then click to OK, so it will search your printer in the network and it will detect and next to install, okay. And if you want to install the via USB, so you have to connect the USB cable to your desktop or laptop. After that click to OK, so it will detect and next to install. So if you are getting some issues, so please comment me, I will support you.